It's reveal day. Hey guys, it's Viv and this is Stitches and Seams. Thanks for coming back and joining me today. Today I am revealing my dress for the hashtag Handmade Summer Dress Challenge put on by Lisa from And So On, and I'll link that information up here, and also everything will be linked in the description box below. So yeah, I made another dress. I know. Apparently I'm on a dress kick. We're just not going to talk about it. So originally I had said that I wanted to do the Vogue 9100 or the McCall's, I think it's 7405 or 7450, one of the two. But anyway, I didn't, the McCall's one, whichever one that is, it's a halter neck, which means I wouldn't be able to wear a bra, which I like the idea of it, but no bra, no can do. Gotta have a bra. So then it left the Vogue dress, and I don't know. After I picked this print, I just wasn't really feeling that dress anymore. I'm pretty much gonna blame Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles, because right at that time, she came out with her review for the Sonata dress, which we'll link up here in the cards, from Love Notions Patterns. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, I want that dress. And I think it goes really well with the print because there's only 2 bust darts and 2 waist darts to kind of interrupt the print. So you can use a larger scale print and not be afraid of it because there's not too much interruption on the print. So yeah, I'm not really going to review the pattern because Karina's already done that. But I mean, it's an easy pattern to make, very simple, goes together really quick. The only like crazy part was the measurement for the elastic that goes in the back waistband casing thing, and I could not. I mean, I knew that it had to be in the pattern somewhere, but I couldn't find it. So I asked Karina, and she's like, "Oh yeah, it's here." So it's on page 5. If you want to make this dress and you're wondering where it's at, page 5. It's a tiny little rectangular box, and I missed it like 5 times in a row, like reading through the pattern. So page 5, check it out. But yeah, other than that, no problems. The dress went together really well. It's a little snug across the chest for me, the boob area, but I'm like right on the edge of, on the high side of the measurement for this cup size. But I went ahead and chose it anyway because I am losing weight, and I do believe that I'm going to be losing some more weight in that particular area. So yeah, went ahead and kind of, went with the smaller one because I didn't want to be wearing it for a couple of weeks and then it's like baggy and you know what I mean? So this will give me a little bit longer wear with it, and I really love this dress. The print is normally not something that I would pick. I'll link the fabric shop. It's sosoenglish.com. And I believe they have a UK version also, so check that out for the UK subscribers if you'd like. But yeah, it's called Maui Tropical Print, Floral, something like that. But yeah, I really like it. It's not, like I said, it's normally not something I would pick, but I'm really glad I did. It's a lot of fun. I've been drooling over Sean's from Kittenish Behavior. Been drooling over her tropical prints. They're so pretty. I love all the leaves, and it's so pretty. But anyway, yeah. So I found one that I could get a hold of without too much pain. But yeah, I really love it. The dress came together really easily, no problems. And we will insert some photographs of me in the dress for you somewhere around here. And that's it. Yeah, I really hope that you jump in on this challenge, because who does not love to sew a summer dress? Everybody. And you might want to try this one. I really like it. It has sleeve options also, but I decided to step even further outside of my comfort zone and go with a sleeveless dress. I need a tan, right? Look at those bad boys, like farmer tan here. Anyway, we'll get some sun on there, and it'll look better soon. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for coming back and joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all of those things. We are loving all of the interaction that we're having with you guys lately. It's really great. I enjoy talking with everyone in the comments. And you can also follow me on Instagram at _stitchesandseams, or it's at _stitchesandseams_ on Instagrams, and we'll put the, all those things will be in there also. So that's it. Yeah. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.